So hello, I was waiting for you. Sorry, never mind. I just saw a romantic movie. I thought, sorry, never mind. Let's start with this video. This video will teach you what is the man page or the man command. Let me give an example. So man command is basically man page, a manual. It's just a manual. There is nothing in that. It's just a manual. Let me give an example. Let me go for the man page. It says that a manual page utility utils or something like that. It has a syntax, it has a descriptions. So instead of using man for a man page, let me use different. Let me say that I need to see the man page of ls. So this is the ls command. What is the ls command name? And this is a syntax, as I told you in the first video. And this is the descriptions. Okay, this is the descriptions. These are all the arguments which you can use it. And in the last you will get some. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, this is just a man page. Okay, when did this man page like invented, or like when did the man page started? And this who is the author of this man page? And like if you have any more, if you need to research more about man pages or ls commands, you can go for this particular link, which will take you for document sessions, like documentary of a website. So thank you for watching this video.